Hello, this is question number 42, the second question on stoichiometry. Calculate the number of ions in 1.2 grams of magnesium metal. And they've told us here that the magnesium equals 24. So that is supposed to represent the relative molecular mass according to this question. So here's what we're going to do to get the number of ions in this grams of magnesium metal. We need to know the number of moles that are even present. So the number of moles is mass divided by molar mass, and that's 1.2 divided by 24. If you do that division, you should have what you would have in moles. Okay, but let's just leave this way for now. Now, this moles is the number of moles of magnesium that you have, right? You're asked to get the number of ions that are present here. If we had 1 mole of magnesium ions, it would contain 6.022 times 10 raised to the power 23 individual magnesium ions. So if we now have this amount of moles, which is this here, we are going to have, this is moles, right? Magnesium ions. So your X then becomes 1.2 divided by 24 multiplied by 6.022 times 10 raised to the power 3. Whatever this gives you becomes your answer. If you do that properly, you should get around 7.2 ions. So that should be the number of ions that's present there. So hold on, I need to confirm this. Let's do that 1.2 times 6 exponential 0.022, yeah. E23 gives you that, and then when you divide it by 24, you have this, okay? So that's divided by 24 here, and that should give us 3.011 times 10 raised to the power 22 ions. Okay, so just to recap, we're to get the number of ions present. We know that 1 mole should contain 6.022 times 10 raised to the power 23 ions. That's just 1 mole. So you need to figure out how many moles are there in 1.2 grams. The 1.2 grams is the mass divided by the molar mass of 4. You would have the number of moles. Then by proportion, you multiply that by 6.022 times 10 raised to the power 23, and you'd get your final answer in ions. Okay, so that's how to solve this question, and I'll see you on question 43. Was this helpful? Let me know in the comments.